Stalkers, a very good evening. First trading day of the week and it's positive. I hope you people are entering the trade and your trades are in profits. Today is 22nd of November 2020. Let's analyze the market index and we check out some stocks. Market is surely looking bullish. We can see it's making higher highs and higher lows. As of now, it's at a resistance level. It have almost crossed the resistance that was around 2320. Today's closing is at 2324. Interestingly, what we are seeing three dodgy candles in a row. It means indecisiveness. Wicks on the upside, wicks on the downside. It means pressure is at both the sides. Now we want to see a decisive candle, either green or a red, so we know which direction market is going. For sure, as of now, market is bullish. We can also see a crossover, that is a bullish crossover in MACD indicator. Also, it's above the zero line, making it more bullish. Next target is around 2360 if the market moves to the upside. Immediate support, psychological support is at 2300. A strong support is at 2385. I think a small correction is needed here to push to the upside, but even if market is moving to the upside, it's positive, it's nice. Let's check out some stocks now. DFM. Still, it's above the support line. Support is at 0.840. Today's closing is at 0.843. We can clearly see it's making higher highs and higher lows, meaning uptrend have begun. But what we want to see is after this correction, it has to jump to the upside. We are waiting for a green candle to enter the trade. If you have already entered the trade, your stop loss should be very tight. It should be above 0.830. DR. As I have been mentioning, it's getting interesting. Still no trades, we are just talking this one. Clearly it was in a downtrend. As of now, we are seeing some price action after it made a U-turn from this level, that is around 0.265. Clearly we can see some price action that is indicating bullishness. In Thursday's session, we saw a dodgy candle, meaning it's indecisive. Again today, market did try to push to the downside, but buyers stepped in and pushed the price to the upside, closing at 0.280. Again, still no confirmation, it's indecisive. We want to see a solid green candle next to it to enter the trade. First resistance, as I mentioned, is around 0.290. Tamac Properties. After the breakout of this pole and flag pattern, it have come down to retest the level. Today it have made a dodgy candle exactly at the support level. Also, it have taken a bounce, meaning buyers are accumulating here and they want to push the price to the upside. Now, after this dodgy candle, as I did mention, whenever you see a dodgy candle, it means market is indecisive. We want to see a green candle again. If you have missed the trade after the breakout, there will be another chance to enter the trade. As I did mention, the target is good, 1.3 to 1.35. Union Properties. Clearly it's struggling to push to the upside and it's in a downtrend as of now. We can see it's making lower lows and lower highs. Also, it's below 200-day exponential moving average. It means it's bearish. Today what we are seeing in our MACD indicator, we have seen a bullish crossover. Also, we are seeing higher lows. It's trying to push to the upside, but we are not seeing a higher high. Clearly we can see higher lows, but we want to see a higher high taking out 0.275, that is the major resistance. We want to see it move to the upside, come back for a retest, and we enter the trade. Gulf Financial House, a very good trade for me. I had recommended this stock earlier. Clearly we can see some nice bullish price action. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It means it's in an uptrend. Today at 0.580 it hit my target and I offloaded everything. Next resistance is around this gap. Market will come up to fill this gap, that's around 0.595. Emaar Properties, very bullish. It's about 200-day exponential moving average and it's showing us some bullish price action. After a dodgy candle, we always want to see a green candle. Today we saw a green candle. However, it came down to retest the lower levels, but buyers stepped in and pushed the price to the upside. Clearly, it have crossed the resistance of 0.3050. More upside expected. Dubai Islamic Bank. If you have seen my previous analysis, I have been mentioning DIB. This white line is 200-day exponential moving average that acts as a support and resistance level. Clearly at the same level, it have spent so many days and today finally it have given a breakout. Closing is very nice at 4.30. Next resistance is at 4.35. Strong resistance at 4.40. Emaar Malls, still looking bullish. Price about 200-day exponential moving average. It have taken a halt at this level, that is around 1.70, indicating it's a strong support. Immediate support is around 1.75. Today what we are seeing is a dodgy candle. It means indecisiveness. Also, it opened with a gap up indicating buyers were more aggressive. Resistance level as of now is at 1.85. Next resistance is at 1.90. EMAR developments. After it have touched 2.20, it have made a nice run. Now it's approaching a resistance area that is around 200-day exponential moving average. Also, it's coinciding with previous swing high that is around 2.55. After two dodgy candles, we are seeing a solid green candle indicating bulls are here, but at the same time, if you are entering the trade, I recommend a quick entry and quick exit strategy. Air Arabia. After crossing the dynamic resistance of this 200-day exponential moving average, today it came back for a retest and it have successfully closed above it, meaning more upside expected. A solid and strong technical resistance at 1.24. Guys, do comment and let me know about your trade ideas and also give me a feedback about my analysis. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.